Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A little XRP news to get you going as we hit hump day. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. Thanks for tuning in. And let's talk about what is happening, why XRP is pumping, and what's going on chain right now. We're going to get into that data as well as a very interesting comment from Gary Gensler, and I should say comment against Gary Gensler as the Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse slams him. All right, with a little bit of a comment here, and basically saying that the war's won without really saying it, and kind of letting some steam off. So if you do hold XRP and you've been riding with us kind of through this lawsuit, what's going on in this arduous process, now we are kind of looking at the conclusion to it all, and I want to share with you guys a little bit maybe so of a victory lap for Garlinghouse towards the end of this video. So make sure you stick around to the end. Like I said, guys, I'm Mark. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. Appreciate all of my subscribers returning. Never do forget you guys, and always leave me a comment down below. I'll be sure to interact with you in the flurry of bots that are intermixed that I cannot do anything about, and I apologize for that in advance, okay? But what actually happened within XRP on chain, okay? The price jumped to $2.87. Let's take a look at it right now as we're starting off the day in the green as well. Still up 7.8% in the last 24 hours. And that's where we look at a $2.76 price tag for XRP right now at the time of recording. Guys, this is not financial advice, just giving you guys my thoughts involving the crypto market. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence, okay? But as we move forward, this is where we saw almost a 14% surge over the last 24. We've since seen some trading, taking some profits right off the top, but that was the double-digit game that Solana, Ethereum, and BNB only were experiencing 2% gains on a day where XRP dominated the top 10. Now, as a result, this is something where they have kind of illustrated themselves by painting a very beautiful picture here on the charts that they are the top 10 cryptos that are outperforming the market just on this year, guys, up 38%. So I tell you a lot of times in my videos, when a crypto is doing good or less bad, I should say, when a crypto is doing less bad on a bad day in the market or really good on a really good day in the market, those kind of superlatives within the broader market and how the outliers really shine through sometimes speaks volumes to how good a crypto is actually performing, okay? So it kind of, I think on a day where, crypto's up 2-3% and everybody's trading, hovering around that like 2 to 4, 2 to 5% up on the day, or vice versa, if it's a red day and we go the other direction, it kind of lets a lot of cryptos just hide behind the shadows of the whole market. But when a crypto outperforms and a crypto is shining bright, such as what XRP did yesterday, and a little bit into today, I should say as well, that's where you really start to take notice. That's what forms social sentiment and drives market demand, in my opinion. That's where we get the FOMO. Everybody looks at their charts and they want to know, why the hell is crypto so-and-so up 40%? Well, what do you think that person's going to do? They're going to call 3 of their friends. They're going to ask them, hey, should we buying this? And that's how the FOMO instills. XRP doesn't really need that FOMO because institutionally, what is so far intertwined now down the road that they're taking, if everybody watching this video would buy or sell $1,000 of XRP, it would not really even move the needle. That's how big XRP is, and that's where we're headed to. So these are just my thoughts and comments. I want to keep going down this conversation. But what happened was $6.4+ billion injected into the XRP market. And that's why we're seeing whales also, okay? These are whales that have also accumulated along this way where it is kind of in its own conversation. Now, whales do hold 1 million to 10 million XRP. They have added that $3.8 billion within that 6.4 just in a very short period of time. To kind of illustrate this, we are going to look into a graphic from Sentiment compiled by Ollie Charts on X. We're going to share why the whales have bought 1.09 billion XRP over the past week. You can see the graphic, you can see the numbers from Sentiment and understand why XRP is being bought. Now, there's a lot of people that have been concerned about these XRP price fluctuations, but if you guys been watching me here on the channel, we have been long on XRP back since guys, we were below 50 cents, and we've still been talking about it through the trenches. If you truly believe where XRP is going to, and you categorize it like I do, okay, this is not just another crypto. This is not just another meme coin, altcoin. It's not even Bitcoin. This is something in its own category that we look for in terms of crypto classifications. I can't even tell you what it would happen or what it would be if XRP does get to where it's going to. Now, there's a lot of things that are intertwined with what XRP likes to do, okay? Now we have stable coins, right? People want to know what's the difference with the ledger and what's the difference with Ripple, and if Ripple gets an IPO, okay, and an ETF. Like, there's a lot of things I think right now out there confusing retail a little bit. But just to put it all in a nutshell, guys, and put a bow on it, XRP is going to change the way that banking is done with cross-border payments and allow for a more streamlined, seamless, and secure process that not just me, not just you. I mean, when was the last time you wanted to send, $500,000 to a different country overseas? Okay. It doesn't happen too often in the retail side of it. It may, and it can for some in terms of their businesses and corporations, but when does it happen that much? Okay. This is kind of where you look into kind of the greater narrative when institutions, when banks, when trade partners, when countries want to do business. XRP is that vehicle. So that's kind of where I'm getting to. We have seen this major spike in whale transactions that we have seen over $100,000 to $1 million. This has been significantly increased. The numbers have all been pointing up. Just the chart wasn't. So I think this is something where we couple this with some of the fear, some of the harvesting at the end of December of last year, as well as kind of what we were getting to within January 20th. Donald Trump coming into office has a lot of people excited, but a lot of people are also fearful what's going to happen, and they're hedging their bets. So the market's not going to explode until we get full certainty that we are all systems go for crypto. Anything can happen, and also there's some crazy stuff happening right now in the sky for those of you that have not been following. So I just think right now there's a little bit of uneasiness. The Fed numbers, the economic data that it's coming out today, as well as some of the kind of storylines behind that, it's all pointing in a dovish kind of bullish direction. But we did have a couple hiccups leading up till today, so we'll see what happens. We'll keep following the situation, but I wanted to give you guys this quick update with why XRP, okay, jumped to $2.87 and what was happening on chain, and that's kind of what's happened, guys. To put it all together, $6.4+ billion injected into the XRP market by the whales. So big bets on XRP. The needle's moving, and I can't wait to see what 2025 has in store. All right, with that, I'll leave you guys. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers.